Holding it. She looks in the mirror. She looks at herself. Yeah. Yeah, you're talking to your toys. Yeah. What do you have to say? Yeah, we've been playing for a long time with this today. Yeah, you're not so happy anymore? Yeah? Right when you're on film? Yeah? Okay, you want to smile for the camera? Yeah? Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. There's Kessia in the mirror. Wow, it's Kessia in the mirror. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Yeah. What do you have to say? What do you have to say in that little voice? Yeah. Uh-huh. What else? What else? Did you tell your Abba that you didn't sleep today? Yeah? And that it's time for a nap? Oh, see? There's a big yawn. Yeah, it's time for a nap. Yeah, but like your Abba, you don't like to sleep. No, you have so many things to do. You're very busy. You even sat in your chair today. And you played here a few times. And what else did you do? You got to see Barry. Yeah, isn't that interesting? Is the camera interesting to you? You're talking to the camera? Yeah. Yeah. You're dancing? Are you doing some baby tai chi or are you doing some ballet? Yeah? Yeah? Is that tai chi? You're very interested in the camera, aren't you? Would you like to say hi to everybody? Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.